Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect Paystack to Shopify. First, go ahead and log into your Shopify account. Once inside, on the left panel, go to lower left and click on Settings. Now, just choose on Payments and go and add a payment method. After that, just go ahead and search for Paystack. As you can see, no results were found. This is because Paystack is a modern online and offline payments based on Africa. So if you're not on Africa, it will not show up to your Shopify. But if your location is in Africa, you will see this option. So just go ahead and click on it. Now after that, you just need to install the Paystack app. So just click on Install app at the top right. Then it will bring you to here. So just go ahead and connect your Paystack. After connecting, it will prompt you to Paystack Payment Gateway Settings where you need your live public key and live secret key. So just go ahead and log into your Paystack account. And once inside the dashboard, click on Settings at the lower left. Once inside the settings, go to API keys and webhooks. Here you will have an access to live secret key and live public key. So just go ahead and copy those and input them into your Paystack payment gateway settings. Once done, just click on update and you will be able to link your Paystack to Shopify. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.